North side.
Yeah, north side, India.
Balwinder Kumar.
Balwinder
Kumar.
Kumaro.
My
from
name is Manoj.
North.
Manoj.
From India.
Yes.
So are you the first time to be here in Shenzhen?
Yeah, the first time in Shenzhen.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here is Huaqiangbei. Is the electronics product of the world.
Yes.
So many people come to here buy the electronics product and sell.
Definitely.
Yeah, I also meet a Indian called Asia. He is doing business in Dubai.
Yes.
He come here to buy the phone, mobile phone accessories, just like charger, cable, something like that.
Yeah.
Then bring to India and bring to Dubai.
Yes.
So, what kind of product are you interested in?
We purchased for the personal use, like drone, smartwatch, electronics, gadgets, small gadgets.
Electronic drone fly on the sky?
Yeah, fly in the sky, drone.
Okay, drone. And this for the toy or for the agriculture or for the military?
That drone have a camera, and we can use aerial video.
Okay, so ADJ, AJD or ADJ, we call 大疆.
Yeah, HD quality.
The most high qualities in Shenzhen.
Yes.
But it's not expensive.
No,
But it's expensive,
not
cheap.
much expensive. Lesser cost than India.
Less cost than in India.
Yes.
And also some cheaper, just like the toy in this area.
Yeah.
And I saw a lot of loose electronic components.
Yeah.
Yeah, spare
They are
parts
selling here.
for the products.
Okay. So what else was the other else product?
Another products for the kids.
For the kids.
Some
Kid toys.
kid toys,
Kid toy.
electronics gadgets for them.
Yes.
Yeah, some like
Like a head massager.
head massager for the face.
massager.
Head massager for the
Yes.
face. So,
Fan. The very
Fan.
famous here.
Okay, friend.
yeah. And mic with the speaker for the kids
kids,
for singing a song.
Singing a song.
Singing a
Karaoke.
Yes.
One piano.
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 Smartwatch.
Yes, smartwatch.
Earbuds.
Earbuds.
Also, yeah.
Yeah.
Lot of products and some small products we purchase from here.
So you have a shop there in India?
No.
We don't
We
have a shop.
purchase them
We
for
purchase for
personal
personal use.
For personal.
Yeah, for the personal use this time.
Okay. I think if you bring some sample to India, you show the other people, you also show in their sell media, and I'm not maybe sure, 100% sure.
No.
The other people will be interested, then will ask you to buy here. And if you stay in India, you don't need to fly to here.
No.
You can contact them, contact the agent. For example, Jack, my name is Jack. So for example, you can ask me to help you to buy, then send, and then deliver to India.
Yes.
Also
most
fun.
of people in India doing this business.
They like trading type. They buy stuff from here.
Yes.
And then sell it in here and another price.
Yes.
Profit market. People are doing this. In
They-
India, so many people are doing this.
Yes.
They are doing this.
They sell on the wholesale price
Yeah.
and also the retail price.
Yes.
They do both things in India
Yes.
and getting much profit.
Yes.
Yes.
And also in future, as your business growing,
Yeah.
going up, you should find the factory.
Yes. Of
So
course.
I think your foreigner must don't know. In China, we have software just like Taobao or Alibaba.
Yes, Alibaba.
Alibaba, you just open your mobile phone or open the computer, you can search, and luckily you can search the factory.
Yes, battery.
Yeah, then the price will be going down, so you have more profit.
Yes. Alibaba is also using. We are also using the Alibaba.com, and
Yes.
We got the products are cheaper.
Yes.
Yes.
So are
If you
first
enjoy
time
this
in
video, don't forget to like, follow, and visit tfczone.com for more tech gadgets.